Action, F4.
Don't touch that.
Sunny 16, autofocus, line 2. Inputs, outputs, fucking magnums. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to One Why I'm yelling at you. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. Today we're gonna be making some skewers, chicken skewers from Memorial Day. Outside, we're gonna be hitting the charcoal for a change. All right, I'm feeling real fun. It's a nice spring, herby yogurt chicken skewer. You can mix it with any protein if you want, but we're gonna be using chicken today. Before we get going, let's do a little ingredient shrine. All right, we gotta check in with the Lord of Death. Everybody pay a little respect, talk about what we're using today. We have 1.5 pounds chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I salted them already. Chicken's always better when you season it a little bit ahead of time. So we got some salt on there. If you don't see me using a ton of salt in the marinade, since it's already on the chicken, just sprinkled, you know, nice. What do we, well, you know, whatever. If you're looking for measurements, you're kind of at the wrong show. I hate to tell you, but that's where we're at. Whole milk cow yogurt, ground cumin, just a little pinchy poo. We're gonna be using a little dried sumac as a little finish, a little nice tangy red little garnish when we get off the grill. I think it's gonna be delightful. And one of my favorite peppers. All right, if you ever see this little jar at a store, a little specialty store, shout out to Wendy's in Westerly. Great people, great store, great products, great fucking pizza. They don't have pizza, but this would be great on pizza. Cucumbers too. We're gonna be cutting little chunks of cucumbers. Crispy, crunchy, just delicious. Some garlic, semi-medicinal grade garlic, but garlic season is coming soon, don't you worry. I got over 350 plants this year. 376. A couple late ones popping up here. Plant them in the fall, right around Thanksgiving up here. And I got a bunch of new varieties. That's why these ones are coming up a little later. It's a different type of garlic. We got a whole bunch here, different seeds. We'll be showing the process all the way up until we harvest them this summer. Hands-free, we're gonna be picking things together, but this is just a little garlic, baby. Beautiful. We got some mixed herbs, some really nice mint. We got some parsley and cilantro, like a bunch total, half and half. And then I got like 3 ramps that I got from the backyard. I got a little patch of ramps in the backyard, you know, and it's doing rather well. If you're not familiar, you can use a scallion with some garlic. One of the first things that come in the spring. This is high octane, extremely potent medicinal grade stuff here, okay? One of my favorite things. We got a half a lemon, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of olive oil. We'll garnish it with maybe some chopped up mint. Let's just get it cooking. Nothing new at the shrine today. Let's not get silly. Thank you, everyone. Before we get into our chicken and our marinade, I got the skewers, our bamboo skewers, sitting in some salty water. Why not season the water, you know? Why not add a little salt to the stick? As it heats up, it steams, a little saltiness from the inside of your skewer hole. So that's my little tip to you. That one's free. And I salt it pretty aggressively. It's nice. I like it. First up, let's make our little marinade. Let's start with 1.5 cups of yogurt, right into our food processing. 2 cups. You go hang out right over there. We're going to add about a half a bunch of parsley and cilantro, all right? Maybe some of the big stems I'll pick out. Pop that right in there, right? I like a pretty herb-forward marinade. I want this to be kind of green and a lot of, you know, vegetal, refreshing herbiness into the yogurt. Now for the mint. Again, I'm gonna be using about a half a cup of picked mint leaves, and I just love putting the mint in yogurt. So we got about 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to do 3 ramps. I'll just give it a quick little rough chop to get it going. Again, if you don't have ramps, just some more garlic. You can even throw a scallion in there. It's hard to not put them in everything, especially something like this. One of my favorite things to eat and cook with. We're gonna be adding these pickled peppers. You can use a peppercini or a little banana pepper. These are really amazing Spanish little sport peppers. Put that in your freaking martini, Bill. Pop off the little stem, and we're gonna pop that baby right in there, as well as like a teaspoon, about a tablespoon of the brine. Next, we're going to zest the lemon. Half a lemon. Get the zest in there, and we're also gonna juice it. Probably 2 tablespoons of juice. I'm gonna add a pinch of the cumin, or 1/4 teaspoon. Just a little pop, maybe a little doochie more. A little tutor booter more, okay? A little black pep. We're also gonna add, I'd say, let's start with 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then we'll do about 1/4 cup of water. Start there. See what happens. I've never made this before. But we're making it together, baby, because that's the name of the show. Making it, just like the Knicks are gonna be making it to the finals, baby. We're making it. All right, let's get a blast in here, see what happens. Again, I want it to be kind of loose, so we'll see if we need to add more moisture. Not mad at that. Looking like your mom's like loose artichoke spinach dip. Pause. Let's see, let's even do a little tasty job. We're gonna be hitting it with a little salt. I know there's some on the chicken, but I can't help myself. It needs a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit more of our pepper brine. So we're up to about, I'd say, 2.5 tablespoons of pepper brine. Just to add the seasoning and the acid, just needed a little more roundness with all the fat there from the yogurt. I like that. So we're all done. Everything's mixed up nice. The herbs all broken down and incorporated. Makes a really amazing marinade for any type of meat. Lamb, chicken, even vegetables for that matter. What I love about using yogurt in a marinade is that little depth of flavor mixed with the herbs, the ramp, the garlic, a little bit of acid in there. It's gonna go perfect on the grill as it cooks up, caramelizes on that hot charcoal grill. And I'll reserve a little bit of sauce to keep as a dipping sauce. So let's go ahead, we're gonna cut up our cucumbers now into little bite-sized pieces, some of our peppers, but everything else is gonna go in with the chicken and the peppers. We have nice little boneless chicken thighs that I'm gonna cut into just nice little strips that we can use to put onto our skewer. So now we're gonna add our marinade, our pickles, and our cucumbers right onto the chicken here. This is gonna go in the fridge for, you can easily go overnight, 2 nights even, but we're gonna do just a few hours, get the charcoal going, get everything nice and happy. Our chicken has been marinating in our nice little herby yogurt rampy wonderfulness. We got our cucumbers in there, everything's looking really, really splendid. We got our saltwater soaked skewers. I like starting with a cucumber, adds as like a nice little bolster, like a little hand guard on a sword. Yeah, Brad, just like that, buddy. That's just what it's like. We're gonna do a nice little mix of meat to veg, to cucumber, to pickle pepper, little funsies. I snuck that one right on there. Do you see that? Another cucumber. Don't sleep on the cukes. Use zucchinis if you want, or bell peppers if you want. Don't be shy, give it a shot. Boom, I like that. So we got our skewers all stacked up, chicken, pickled peppers, cucumbers, in our herby yogurt marinade. I have a little bit of the marinade that I pulled off. Maybe we'll brush it on as it grills. And I have some reserved before the chicken touched it to use as a little dipping sauce for later. Yum! Isn't that just delicious? So let's head out to the grill and get it grilling.
Thumbnail.
Thummy! Yeah, okay, but we got our grill charcoal all real nice, okay? Burned down real nice. All right, we're gonna drop them right on. Oh, that's hot. Then we'll give it a little down heat. Don't go walking away on your skewers, all right? You don't want to go putting in all that work and then burning your stuff, okay? Soaking your skewers here is gonna help. And we're clocking in, we're gonna be getting pretty hot in the old egg. Turning a lot, keeping an eye on things. Hot as fuck. Just a few minutes, you know, these probably take about 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes to cook, you know, depending on your heat. So you're gonna watch them. Again, don't really want the bamboo, you don't really want anything burning. We're gonna try to pick up a little color, but just a classic little grill job. Fuck off. Fuck off. Ah. So skewers are looking great. Okay, we got the cucumbers on there, charring up nice. I love the way the yogurt kind of cooks on everything. It's a nice little thick, kind of tangy marinade as opposed to like a real loose one. They're just growing up phenomenally. Great color. The peppers pick up some nice color. Yeah, just kind of hard to beat. We'll bring these in, we'll cut up some garnishes, but that's what I'm talking about. Nice char all over. The pepper takes it, the cucumber takes it, everybody's fucking taking it. So we got our skewers all grilled up nice. We had our reserved, uncontaminated marinade, just delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit right on the platter, and then we're just going in. I mean, those are beautiful. That's exactly what I'm looking for in a skewer. If you like cucumbers, you never grilled one, try it. They're amazing. And it's just a really great way to serve up some skewers. So I like to lay them down on a platter, just in a little bed of its own little sauce there, and then you put that out on the table, okay? All right, everybody, skewers are ready, everything's ready.
The flight meat's back on the menu, boys!
All right, little dippy on the side, and you're living the dream. Just a little sporadic drizzle over top. Last but not least, I'll take a little bit of that mint, give it a thin little chiffonade. Just some little, nice little refreshing little threads of mint. Okay, nothing crazy. All right, well, these look beautiful. I think we gotta try one for sure. Pop off a piece of chicken. The ramps, the herbs in the marinade, and then a little bit that we brushed over top, just really comes through as this like refreshing spring salad on a skewer almost, you know, where it's just got all the right stuff. The brightness, the tanginess, the spiciness, the richness from the yogurt, the chicken just perfectly juicy and sweet on there. It's really just a perfect bite. This is going to be a large bite, but oh, Jesus, Brad. Look, we got a little bit of the pepper, chicken, cucumber. Oh man, just a really, really delicious, easy recipe. The big takeaway, cucumbers and pickled peppers on a skewer. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Just a workhorse of a marinade or a dressing or a sauce for that matter. Grill more outside. If you can't, you can probably do all this stuff right inside. You can probably do it right in the oven. But an easy springtime, happy Memorial's Day, little skewer, little kebabber, little yum yum delish, babo. Thanks for hanging. A lot more Making It's coming. Let me know some fun things you want to see me grill, some little fun summer things that maybe I could try out. Always looking for ideas. Like, subscribe, unfollow, do whatever you gotta do. We love you. We'll see you next time. Look at that. Oh, okay. That's a wrap. All right, perfect. Go Knicks, baby! Oh, that was a good one. What, Reese? You don't like chicken? Number one, baby. Yep, number one.